Hi, it's Hard Reset and today I'll show you how to set up your ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO. So I'm freshly after the factory reset, so let's start. First select your country. If you don't have a mouse, so I'll be showing you without a mouse, but if you do, then just click it with mouse. If you don't, then use Tab to go to a next option and Shift and Tab to go into the previous option. When you've selected the option to select the country, then arrow down to find your country. But to be faster, I'll just scroll it with mouse. And then click Tab and Enter. Now keyboard layout, once again Tab till you go into the layouts and arrow down, but to be faster. And tap to go into the yes and Enter. Do you want to add a second keyboard layout? Of course you can do it, but I won't be using it, so I'll with Tab just go into the skip and Enter. Now connect to a network, so find the network, click Enter, Tab, click Connect, and type in your password. Of course I have numlock disabled, and Enter. Now wait for it to connect. So now I'm connected, click Tab to go next, Enter. Now it is checking for updates. It may take a little while, so I'll be back with you shortly. Now go into the Accept and Enter and name your device. So I'll name it VIVOBOOK Pro. Next. Oh, it can't. I can use space. So underscore. And now your device will restart. And here you go. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.